Rains. 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 Oh, hi. I was just practicing my zombie impression for my upcoming role in a popular zombie movie. But let's do math first. We're talking about squares. Perfect squares. Who can tell me what we mean by a perfect square? Yes, young Quinn.
A square that is the same on both sides.
A square that is the same on both sides, okay? So, for example, my square that has 2 length and 2 width is a perfect square. I can see with my eyes it's a perfect square, and both the length and width match, so it's a perfect square. I can write that in a special way, as 2 squared. You'll notice that 2 connects to the sides of my shape, okay? And all that means, really, when I do 2 squared, is 2 times 2, which this is 2 times 2, which in total is 4, okay? There's 4 in there. All right, so if we're building perfect squares, what might I try next to see if it's a perfect square? What might I try next? What 2 dimensions, what length and width would I maybe want to try next? At the back, Caleb.
Maybe like 3 by 3.
Maybe like 3 by 3. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Shh. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1. Okay. Perfect square. I can tell with my eyes it's a perfect square. My dimensions, as Caleb requested, are 3 by 3. In total, I have 3, 6, 9. In total, how would I write this as a square? How would I write this as a square? Quinn?
3 by 2.
You're close.
No, like 3 by square.
Yeah. It's 3 squared. A little 2 up there. And that 2 simply means it's a math way of saying 3 by 3, which equals 9. Okay? What might I try for another perfect square? I don't do my next one, but for example, another perfect square. If I want, let's do this. If I wanted the next one first, what would the next perfect square be? Layla?
4 times
4 times 4. Do we agree?
Yes.
KJ? Do we agree?
4. Yes.
Yes. Why is Layla right? Because she is? Okay. I think if you're listening, you might know. Sphira, why is she right?
Because she's big brain.
Because she's big-brained. That's true.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, I won't go there. Mateo, why is she right? Because the length and the width are the same, so it makes a perfect square. Okay? Let's try it just to see, and then we'll pick a different number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, whoops, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 1. Okay. One a bit trigger happy there. All right. Okay. Uh-oh. Nope. It's not a square. Square?
Yeah.
Square. Okay. So 4 length, 4 width. In total, I know it's 16. I can count them up to find that for sure. I write that as 4 squared, which simply means 4 by 4. 4 groups of 4. Awesome. So it seems like the pattern here is if my dimensions are the same, I'm going to make a perfect square. Okay? I'm also going to begin to see a pattern in the total area of my squares as well if I keep going. Okay? 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7. Who can give me a different one? Not in order. Any other perfect square. Who wants to try one? Brendan?
6 times 4.
6 by 4. Would that give me a perfect square?
Well, it did with me.
It did with you? Well, it shouldn't have.
It did.
6 by 4, if I added 2 more lines here, 2 more rows to make 6, it wouldn't be a square anymore. Okay? We know that to make a perfect square, those 2 dimensions, the width and the length, have to be the same. So give me another perfect square. Keegan?
9 times 9.
9 times 9, that should work. Okay. You know what? This is 10, right? 10 by 10. Let's do a little trick here and split it apart and take one. Take one away from each side. Oh, I can't do each side, can I? Let me see.
No, you have to highlight it first.
I'll take one away from each side. Let's see. Is this 9 by 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 9. Is it a perfect square?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like it. So 9 by 9. Do you know how I easily figured out 9 by 9? What's 9 by 10? What's 9 by 10? David? 90. Take one group of 9 away from that. Okay? 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Oh.
81.
I count that from 100. 81, right? 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Okay? Started the wrong number. 81, right? Just take away one group of 9 from 90. 81, and I write that as 9 squared, which just means 9 times 9. Okay? So, the rule I am seeing, it seems to always work, is if those 2 dimensions are the same, it gives me a perfect square. Okay? And I can write it like this, 9 squared, which just means 9 times 9 or 4 times 4. Can I give you a little preview? A little preview? We're next doing square roots. And a square root just means the root of a square, like the building block of a square. Okay? So if 2 squared is 4, the square root, and this is a really funny square root sign like that. The square root of 4 is 2. Because square root just means the root of that square. One of the sides of that square. Okay? If I do the square root of 9, it's 3. Okay? Going there next. It'll be lots of fun. But for now, back to my practice, my big role in upcoming zombie film, and enjoy our math. And have a great day. Like, subscribe, and treat yourself to a donut once in a while.
No.
There's no greater joy in life than delicious Boston cream.
Please make sure to
See you later.